In this video, we are going to be using one of the latest features in Canva, which is forms, and we are going to be using that to add exciting forms into our Canva website. I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about it. So let's dive into Canva and let's check it out. So here we are. We have one of the websites I created about 2 years ago or so inside of Canva. To add a form, what we can simply do is to add a new section, which is same page, but it's actually a new section based on the new Canva update. So we have this blank section over here. To add a form, we just have to come to element and we should see forms over here. So I'll just click on forms. We have so many options to choose from. So depending on the type of information you want to collect, you can just choose the relevant form that can help you do that. So in my case, since it's business, I'll just choose this template over here, and we have it beautifully like this. And we can see it's a beautiful form in here. Now with these forms, you can actually customize it based on the information you want to collect. So the first thing is we can just click on edit, and you can see all the questions you can ask your customers or your website visitors. Okay, so let's say we wanted to ask them for their name. We can just do another short answer, and we can just edit the question that what is your name? Okay, so once we do this over here, the name should come before the email, so we just move it on top and we can see how we have it. Very nice. And you can also delete. If you don't like it, you can just delete, and that is it. Then you just edit and you can, then you have it here like this. Okay, so you can add a star rating. You can add so many things depending on what you want. You can just add them to it. Now just see, rate the experience of this website. Okay, so you can just rate and you can just choose a number of stars. So now that we have this, we can also edit the colors. Okay, so the colors, we can just choose the colors based on what we want. Okay, the white, we can choose, this nice one. And we can also change the text color to white. Okay, so now that we have it like this, we can change the button colors depending on what you want. Okay, you can just change the button colors. So maybe you want to use a yellow button color for our forms, and this is how we have it. We can also change the font on this form, so we can use Poppins. Okay, and this is how it's actually going to look like. So now that we have this, I would also want to add a text on the side, and I'll just press T on my keyboard. Okay, and I'll just say join the loop. Okay, so join the loop today. But the today, I just want to customize it and make it look fun. Okay, so I'll just customize this. I'll just say TODAY. Okay, so I just want to spread this out a little bit and just put this here. This can be for the O. Okay, and I'll place it here. The D can be here, Y and the exclamation. Okay, then we can just also place this here. Now I will just put this here and make it bold, and I'll also make this one also bold as well. Right now, there's something I want to do, so I just want to be able to customize these ones, just to make it look fancy. And we have something like this, and we have something like this. Now I would also want to change the text color, so we just come to color and we'll just make it the light purple, which is making everything look interesting. Now let's talk about how you can collect information and how you be able to view the information on Canva or in Canva. Let's check it out. Okay, so when someone fills up your form, for example, I'll just say benjamin@canva.com. Okay, so let's assume this is it, and I would also just select for and click on join mailing list. It says response saved. Okay, now on the back end, we're already in the back end. Okay, if you want to see the responses we've received from this website, we can just click on responses, and over here you can see one. Okay, now to view all the responses, you can link it to a Canva sheet. So I'll just say link to Canva sheet. So you just click on it and it should load a little bit, and it should open a new Canva sheet for you, and you can see the information in here. This means that with any submission you receive from the form, it would automatically drop over here. So for any response we receive, that is how you can view it inside of Canva. And we can just click here to view the responses, and we can see over here the responses we have received. And I hope you found this helpful. So let me know if you'd want a detailed video on how to create a multi-page website inside of Canva, because now it's actually possible. So if it's something you really want, just let me know and I should be on my way to to create that for you. Aside that, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit on the links in the description box below to get Canva Pro for free, all my template, everything is in the description box below. The name is Benjamin. Always remember, there is no limit to creativity, and I should see you in my next video. Peace.